Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social class. Students, in our today's class, we will start our new chapter of geography, chapter number 14, the globe, latitudes and longitudes. Students, you must have seen the picture of globe or earth in television or in any book. In our today's class, we will study about the globe. This is the picture of earth. The earth is spherical in shape. The shape of the earth is sphere. It is flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. The letter P represents poles and letter E represent equator, means it is flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Bulge means a round bend. Okay. Earth is spherical in shape, flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. The polar diameter means a straight line which is passing from the center of circle from one side to another. And circumference means distance round of circle. The polar diameter and circumference are less than the equatorial diameter and circumference. Let's see this through a picture. This picture shows polar diameter and equatorial diameter. And it shows that polar diameter is less than the equatorial diameter. And this picture shows polar circumference and equatorial circumference, and it shows that polar circumference is less than the equatorial circumference. Now the bulge at the equator, bulge means a round bend at the equator, is due to the centrifugal force. Centrifugal force means outward force which is caused by the earth rotation. When the earth rotates, it makes a centrifugal force due to which a bulge is created at the equator. The shape of the earth is described as a geoid shape. Geoid shape is same like a sphere shape. Any object with earth shape is called a geoid. Now, we will study about the globe. The spherical shape of the earth. We have already studied that shape of the earth is spherical. The spherical shape of the earth is accurately shown by a small spherical model called globe. Now, what is globe? Globe is the replica, copy or a small miniature of earth which is used for different types of purposes. Students, when you observe a globe, you will notice that it is mounted on a stand with its axis tilted by 2300 degree from the vertical. Now we will see the globe in a picture. It is the picture of a globe which is mounted on a stand with its axis tilted by 23 degree from the vertical. Vertical means a line which is from the north to south. Axis means an imaginary line which passes from the middle of the earth. Okay. The axis is an imaginary line on which the earth rotates. Originally there is no axis on the earth, but it is an imaginary line which is made to know the locations easily. The northern end of the axis is the North Pole and the southern end is the South Pole. We have already seen in a picture that the pole in the upper side is called North Pole and the pole in the lower side is called the South Pole. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east. Now we will see that the direction of the earth is, it rotates from the west to east. To locate position of different features on the earth accurately, geographers have devised a system of horizontal and vertical lines on the surface of the globe. To know the different features of the earth, to know the different locations of the earth, geographers had made a system of horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal lines mean the lines which are passing from east to west, and they are called lines of latitude, while the vertical lines are the lines which passes from the north to south, and these are called lines of longitudes. When lines of latitude and longitude are made on a globe, it forms a pattern like a grid, and together these lines help us to locate different places on the maps accurately. Now we will see the lines of latitude and longitude in a picture. This picture shows lines of latitude and lines of longitude. The lines of latitude are horizontal lines which passes from east to west, and the lines of longitude are vertical lines which passes from north to south. So students, here we complete today's topic. We will continue our next topic in our next class. Thank you.